the young men demonstrate it for you. So watch the two gentlemen who are going to demonstrate. Keep your eye close, but see how easy it is? Nothing to it. See how easy it is? It's called the Easy Talker. Everybody can do it. Okay. All right, so we need the first two gentlemen to come out. Yeah, we need like three. Get, Rock, one more. Okay. All right, you're going to do this dance now in front of the young ladies. Remember, keep your eye on the ladies. Those are the people who are going to judge. Are you ready? Musikmeister, auf geht's.